For this problem, the first thing we need to do is find the vertex. And we're given this x squared minus 8x. Let me change colors. And the way we find the vertex, we let x equal negative b over 2x. This is using the vertex formula, negative b over 2a. Now, there's understood to be a 1 right here. So that's a. It also tells me it opens up because it's positive. And b is negative 8. So negative b would be negative of negative 8 over 2 times a. And a is 1. So that gives me positive 8 over 2, which is 4. So that's the x-coordinate of the vertex. Now let's find the y-coordinate. And the way we do that, we just plug the x value back in here to find y, because another name for f of x is y. So let's find f of 4. So plug the 4 in for x. You get 4 squared minus 8 times 4, which is 16 minus 32, and that's negative 16. So your vertex is 4, negative 16. So over 4 and down negative 16, you've got a vertex, you've got a parabola here that opens up. And then if you want to find your x-intercepts, where it crosses the x-axis, you let y be 0. So that's what I've done down here. If I let y be 0, I have 0 equals x squared minus 8x. And the way you solve this, you can use a quadratic formula, but I'm going to solve it by factoring. So I factored out an x, and that left me x minus 8. And that gives you x equals 0, or x minus 8 equals 0. So you got an x-intercept of 0 and an x-intercept of 8. So your parabola looks something like that.